Hi there, my name is Yogesh and today let's see how you can create shadows effects just like this in Photoshop. And for that, open up your Photoshop and write some text. For example, I'm here writing artistic as it's the first word of my channel. Now once you have done writing, then go to View menu and select New Guide and move it to the center of the frame. Now hide all the letters and make them visible one by one while arranging them. Now I'm here placing letter A here and R above it. But to show some gap between them, select the R layer and double click on it and it will open the blending options, and here select the outer glow and increase the size of the glow. And make sure that here the selected color should be black, and this will create some shadows around the letter R. Now keep on doing this up to the last letter of the word. Once you have done that, then select all the layers which include the letters and make a group of it by clicking Ctrl+G. Now again select those layers and copy them above the group layer and make them vertically inverted. Then convert it into smart objects. Now create a mask and press G to select the gradient tool and apply it like this. And your work is done. I hope you understand well. Please do write some comments about this Photoshop tutorial and what next tutorial should I bring for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to watch more Photoshop tutorials, tips and hacks, and help me by sharing this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and let's meet in the next video. Bye.